Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to send disappearing messages and photos on Telegram. Learn how to send disappearing photos and messages on Telegram for added privacy. Follow our easy guide to share sensitive info securely. Hey there, Telegram users. Want to know how to send disappearing photos and text messages on Telegram? You're in the right place. In this easy-to-follow guide, we'll explore how you can use this cool feature to add a layer of privacy to your conversations. It's perfect for those moments when you need to send sensitive or temporary information. First things first, let's talk about what disappearing messages are. On Telegram, you can send messages, photos, or videos that vanish after a set time. It's like sending a secret that self-destructs. This feature is super handy for sharing sensitive info or just having fun with friends. Plus, it's easy to use. So Telegram have updated their app and they have changed some things in the app. So I'm going to show you a new method of sending disappearing photos. The first thing you need to do is open your App Store or your Play Store. And you need to search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. So maybe you have updated it, but you're not getting the option. I'll show you how to solve that later in this video. We're going to clear the cache of your Telegram and all the new feature is going to appear back. Let's go. So if you want to send disappearing photo, open your Telegram. Once you open your Telegram, you need to select any of your chats. Open a chat, tap on the attachment icon, and choose a photo to send. So click on this icon right here, and you need to select the photo or the video. So I'm going to make use of this photo as an example. Make sure you click on it like this. Just don't select it by clicking on this place. You need to open it. So once you do that, click on the send button and you're going to see send with timer. You need to click on send with timer. Once you click on send with timer, you're going to see the option to send it as V1s. So if you set it as V1s, once they open it, they'll be able to check it, and once they close it, they won't be able to open it again. You can also send it with timer. So let me explain with timer. Let's say you send it with 4 seconds. Once they open it, after 4 seconds, it's going to automatically close it, and they will be able to view it again. So just use any of these options that you like, and you need to select send with timer. So once you send it with timer, you'll be able to view it and it's going to close at the time you set. So if you try to play smart and take a screenshot of it, it's going to notify you. So just try this out, and if you're not getting the feature, if you're using Android device, head over to your settings, to your Telegram settings, and you need to clear the cache. So if you're using iPhone, head over to your settings on your iPhone, and you need to scroll down to General. Once you click on General, click on iPhone storage, and you need to wait for this to load. Once done, look for Telegram in this list, and you need to click on it. Once you click on Telegram, you need to offload your Telegram application. So don't worry, all your documents and data will be kept. So once you reinstall it back, it's going to show up. Just offload it and reinstall it, and you're going to get the send with timer option. Disappearing text messages. Disappearing text messages works a bit differently. They're part of Telegram's secret chat feature. To use this, start a chat with a contact. Tap on their profile picture or name. Tap on the 3 dots menu at the top right and choose Start Secret Chat. In Secret Chat, messages automatically have end-to-end encryption, and both the sender and the recipient won't be able to take a screenshot. You can also set a self-destruct timer for every message you send. Once the recipient reads the message, the countdown starts, and poof, the message vanishes after the timer ends. Disappearing text messages are ideal for confidential conversations or sharing sensitive information securely. Disappearing messages keep one-on-one and secret chats private, but for private Telegram channels or groups with special content you have to pay for, you need strong tools. Invite Member is great for running these channels or groups. It helps you handle subscriptions and make money from private content easily. With Invite Member, you can set up member access, take care of your payments, and share special content safely. This makes everything smooth for both the people making the content and those who subscribe, all within Telegram private spaces. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Postifluence by Technic Force. Rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works. Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts and high ranking, and high-traffic websites. Zoom to the top of the SERPs with 100% organic link building and traffic source. Find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Only ranking sites, no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. Email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. And a lot more. Postifluence builds you backlinks and gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. So what are you waiting for? Get Postifluence now. Just go to getpostifluence.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.